Okay guys, here's my kitchen hack number 1. On my old stove, I had like the ends of my stove handle or oven handle were open so I could slide my pot holders on, you know, pot holders that have the hook. Well, this one doesn't have it, so how do I fix that? You get a shower ring. I just happen to have clear. You can use black. Black would blend in. You put your little shower ring on and you hook your little pot holder on. This is hard to do with one hand. There you have it. It hooks on. They're right there when you need them. Like I said, I could use black. They would blend in perfectly fine, but I just happen to have clear already. So there you go. There's my little kitchen hack number 1. Your pot holders are right there at your stove. You can grab it off with one hand if you don't hook the rings. I just put it on with one hand. Yeah. Sorry. I'm trying to hold the camera. It's easier with 2 hands. I mean, pretty simple though. So there you go. Kitchen hack number 1. You have your pot holders at your stove, right where you need them.